Okay, so last repair for the day. We're gonna be working on an Mac Mini 2017-2018, I think. It was mailed in to us from Virginia. Customer ripped the fan connector when trying to, I think, upgrade the RAM. I read the paper, but I do not recall. He did not fill in the mailing form, but he sent a handwritten paper. Good luck reading this. I messed up my fan connector in an attempt to add 64 gigs of RAM. Broke some pins where the fan connects. Please help. I saw a video of a tech fixing a Mac Mini with the same problem. And this is coming from Virginia. Okay. Customer included the broken fan connector. Actually, these are screws here. Screw, and we have 4 screws here. And this Ziploc is empty. I do not know why it was sent. This is the cover. I mean, at least everything is included here. And this is the fan. Let's take a look at the fan to see if that broken piece is still connected to the fan connector. I'm trying to get everything done today because I will be leaving on Wednesday and Thursday to CES Las Vegas. I was invited to go there. Last year I went there for only 1 day and I did a short video, but this time I'm going for 2 days with my wife and I'll make a longer video. I'll try to cover a lot of things at CES. So I'm not going to be posting any videos for the next 2 or 3 days. Las Vegas is about 4 or 5 hours away from here. So it's a nice road trip. We're gonna have to remove this. I do not want to damage my tweezers, so let me use something else. I'm gonna get a worn out tweezer that I do not care about, like this one here, and out. Okay. The fan connector itself is good. Let's take a look at where that fan connector broke off from. Okay, I see it. Right there. Let's start. Fume extractor on, and we're gonna use our nice Flux. A lot of orders came in for that Flux and we may run out of stock very soon. The good thing is we have another shipment coming in, so we always have the freshest. Some comments from viewers telling me that the Flux looks cloudy and not clear. That may be the case when you first put it in, but as soon as you apply heat to it, it goes clear. Look at this. So it doesn't matter if the initial look of the Flux is cloudy. Let's apply some leaded solder. It flows nicely. Very nice. That's all we need. I'm gonna apply more Flux and then I'm gonna show you how easy it is to wipe that Flux off the board. Let's make it clear again, right there. I mean, solder flows really nice with this, really nice. That's an upgrade to the 559 that we used to use, so it has to be better than the 559. As far as the way components flow, I would say it's similar to the 559, but the cleanup on this one is a lot easier. Let's look at this. Look at this. It's already done. I wiped it only twice or 3 times. And one moment. Hey man, how are you?
Good, good.
Okay, so you're all good.
I'm all good?
You're all good. We're gonna use our soldering iron to solder that connector down in place. And this is the wrong connector. This is the old one. So let's start by soldering at least one of those pins so we can secure this connector down in place. Just like that. We can also use our hot air station to do this, but I always use hot air, and this time I want to do it with the soldering iron so we can do something different. Very nice. Now we're gonna have to do the front. And the front pins are only for support. In reality, once the fan connector is connected, it's not gonna go nowhere, it's not gonna move. Very good. And we can touch up on this one just a tiny bit. So let's make the connection, connect the fan. Okay, the fan is connected. Customer shipped the power cable along with it. And the fan is working. The fan is working. You can't see it. Here. Yep. The fan is very smooth, it's not loud, it's not spinning fast. So that tells me that the fan is running good. Right now it's 6:36. I'm staying late so I can finish some stuff, but it's time to go home. I just want to do one more thing quick. A lady just came in with the Mercedes-Benz key and she said the key was working, but the battery died. She went to AutoZone, it's a shop where you buy stuff for cars, and they changed the battery for her, but after they did so, the key stopped working. She is hoping that we can help her out. As soon as I took this board out of the fob, I found this piece. I do not know if the shop, they took the whole board out, if they knocked that component by mistake, or maybe if this component just broke because she dropped the key. I do not know. This is the board. And do you see anything missing? The coil is good. And what's missing is this component. That's the component I found broken inside the case. Right there. The job is done. It's obvious that this side of the component connects with this component. So we have a continuous path. It means the component is soldered on properly. And this one, I believe, connects with this component here. Right there. Okay, good. So the job is done. And I'm almost certain, 99.9% chance this key is gonna work for her. Just one final cleanup and I'm going home. When she came in, she said the key does not light up. So, and now it is lighting up. Okay, very good. So that confirms that the problem is fixed. And that's it. Time to go home. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.